Hello and welcome to another virtual art lesson with Mrs. LeMay. For this video, I'm going to show you guys how to draw a big fish, and we're going to talk about curved lines and how curved lines make a big impact in your drawing. We're also going to talk about circles and cool colors, okay? And cool colors are, you remember, there are purple, blues, and greens. We are going to use a pencil, paper, as well as markers. Now, friends, if you don't have markers, that's totally fine. If you have crayons, use crayons. If you have colored pencils, that's fine too. It's up to you what material, what color you want to use. There's no wrong or right way here to color it. And also, you could easily flip it and do warm colors on this side and then cool colors. It's up to you how you want to do it. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. The first thing we're going to do, we're going to take our paper and we're going to fold it in half. The reason why we're going to fold it in half, friends, is because we're going to create a crease right down here in the middle, and that's just going to give us some guidelines on where to place our curved lines, okay? So the first thing we're going to draw here, and I've got my pencil and I've got my paper, we're going to draw a line kind of curve here at the beginning of his face, okay? And then we're going to draw, it's going to come out a little curve here. That's going to be for his lips. Come down like this, and we're going to go all the way down like that, okay? Now, using this line here, we're going to take it, we're going to draw a line that's going to be curved all the way down like this, and that'll be perfect. All right, so now we've had the head of our fish. Now we're going to come in and add our scale. So we're going to draw a line here, again, curved lines, here. And now in my original demo, original example there, I have 8. But you guys could have 6, 7, 8, 10, whatever. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 6 here. I'm actually going to add one more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's fine. And then I'm actually going to erase in here. And I'm going to draw a curved line that goes like such. All right. And then a circle over here. And one in here. You'll see that? That's part of his fin. Okay. I'm going to erase that line here. And then I'm going to draw some lines that going, another curved lines, come down like such. Okay? So then we're going to draw a big circle. All right? And then we're going to draw another circle around it. We're going to draw a tiny circle right in there for his eyeball. All right? And then we're going to add some just a little, almost like U's here. And then we're going to come up here. It doesn't have to be perfect. Just a little detail to show some texture. And then we're going to come up here, draw a curved line, go like such. Okay? To create his like ellipse. All right, so I'm going to start with our yellow first. I find it in my little goodies here. Okay? So I'm using marker, but you guys, of course, can use crayons, you can use colored pencils. If you have paint, you want to paint it, whatever floats your boat. There's no right or wrong. So I'm going to come in here and I'm going to use the side of my marker. And I'm just going to color in just this part up here. I'm going to color in here. Yellow. Now I've chose yellow because yellow and purple are complementary colors. Complementary colors, friends, are friends that are opposite on the color wheel, or as I like to remind people, that they are best friends. They go together really well, but sometimes if they are not making very good choices, they can make some not good choices together. But most of the time they do make good choices, but you never know with best friends. Right, so we're just coming in here, we're coloring. And the complementary color of yellow is purple. So we're going to use the purple. I'm going to use the yellow. Yep. My yellow here is starting to dry out. So I'm going to come back in here with very bright yellow here. and that's okay. I just changed it up a little bit. Okay, so now we're going to start working with our cooler colors. I'm going to pick this. Where is that pretty? I'm going to use, I guess I'm going to use this color. I'm going to use this purple right here. And I'm going to color around the eye. This purpley kind of burgundy kind of color here. Okay, and then I'm going to come in here and color in his lips. I don't know many fish that have purple lips, but you just never know. There's some really beautiful fish out there in the ocean. I'm going to come in here and I'm going to get on the side, using the side of my marker. I'm going to come in here and I'm going to just kind of outline it here. Give it a little bit more color here. There we go. And then I'm going to go ahead and start coloring in my scale. So I'm going to try and create a pattern here. I'm going to start with this purple right here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. So then we're going to come over here and do it again. So friends, it's always best if you try to color in all one direction. So I'm going up and down like this. This kind of looks a little better. I can come back in there and fill it in. All right, and now let's see. I'm going to go in with I'm going to go in here with this blue, I think. Maybe I'm going to go with this blue. It doesn't matter which blue you use. This is one I just picked up. Okay, and then we come over here. Okay, and then we're going to use, say, I'm going to use this blue here. It's a little pretty ocean one. Come over here. And then the last one I'm going to use bright green, just to offset some of that. Oh no, I'm not. I'm just kidding. I'm going to use this teal color right here. Again, friends, it doesn't. You guys do not have to follow this exactly step by step. If you don't want to, you can do warm colors for the scales and cold for the face. It doesn't matter. Whatever makes you happy. Art's all about making you happy. All right, so we're starting to have a pattern here, right? So we've got purple, blue, light blue, green, and then we go on here. All right, now we're going to come in here and we're going to color part of the scale. And I'm going to go ahead and color it all yellow. Very bright yellow. Okay, and then I'm actually going to throw in some orange here. Put some orange right in here. We're going to color this whole circle. And down there, we're gonna color it all yellow. I mean orange, excuse me. All right, and then we're gonna come in here and make those curved lines with the yellow. Orange, excuse me. All right. And next up with our orange, we're also gonna come in here and we're gonna start to make those U shapes. Make it even swizzly. This is adding textures to our fish here. All right, awesome. All right, so our next color, and the last color, is going to be black. Okay, so we're going to use this for making our curved lines. We're also going to, on our scales, we're also going to use it to outline things. All right, so we're going to take our black marker and we're going to come up to an eyeball, and we're going to go ahead and color in the eyeball, but making sure to leave a little white area. So a little glimmer there, okay? And then we're going to go ahead and outline around the eye, make it stand out more. And then we're going to come over here and outline, to draw around the fish here. Okay, come over here, go ahead and take that all the way down. Then we're going to come over here, okay? We're also going to take our black marker and we're going to outline this curved line, the line in between the head and the body. I'm going to come over here and outline these lines here to make it more defined between the different colors. Okay, and then we're going to come over here and we're going to outline what will be part of his fin. Okay, and we can leave those lines there. Okay, so now comes the curved line part. So we're going to make curved lines all down here. Okay, and I've added 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 curved lines. Okay, now to create a really cool effect, we are going to go in between each one now. So we're going to draw those curved lines again, but we're going to put them so that they don't match up another curved line. So we create some space in between them. And we're going to do that on all of our areas, right? Because when we look at fish scales, they actually don't line up perfectly. They actually create a pattern. Okay, I don't like that one. All right, now we can come over here. Right. All right, so there's that one. And now last thing we need to do is we need to color in around our fish's head. And I'm going to use this very light blue, but you guys, again, maybe he lives in the darkest part of the sea and it's black, color black. Maybe he lives in the Caribbean and it is super light that you don't even need to color it, or it's green. It's up to you. So I'm just going to color in the space around. And I flip my paper so that it's easier for me to color it and I don't get this nastiness that is on my hand from the markers. That's what happens when I color sometimes and I don't realize what I'm doing and I get it all over my hand. Thank goodness these are washable. All right, I'm going to flip it over again and I'm going to come back over here. Oops. All right, friends, and there you have it. A super fun, super summer-inspired fish that deals with your learning about curved lines and your cool colors and your complementary color of purple, which is yellow, and this super fun fish. I hope that you enjoyed it, and I hope that you guys are all well. Staying safe, and I hope to see you next time. Thanks for checking out my video.